All right, so I'll be picking the Apus 7240. Okay, key works. Okay, I've done one before, and it was a braided lockout keyway. As you can see, it's a little more restrictive on this one. Get my tension in there. Whoop, standard hook. All right. So first thing, I'm gonna attack it kind of at this diagonal. So I'm gonna hit it at this angle. I'm pretty much putting it in, and then coming in this direction, kind of pushing it in like this. Okay. So feeling for number one. And number one, I don't think it's binding. Number two. Okay, two's binding. Nothing on three. Four's binding. Nothing on five. And six is binding. Okay, coming back to one. One's binding. Okay, I have a problem getting to one. Okay, there's one. Alright. Five and six. Nothing. Go back to one. I'm going to overset one. Nothing on one. Two has nothing. Three. And nothing. Nothing on four. Nothing on five. Just sort of click. I'm going to got one there. There's two. I'm pushing on three. Three. There might be counter rotation on three, and that might be a spool. Let's go to four. Four had a little bit of counter rotation. Five is now up, and we're open. All right. Put this aside. We'll gut this real quick. Okay. Okay, we'll put this here. Here's the core. We'll start using the key. Okay, back to lock position. Circlip wrench. Pop this out. That's out. Put that there. All right. Okay, let's get a follower. So as you can see, I don't have a follower. I only have this side follower. Obviously that won't work if I was going like this. So I'm just gonna make sure I turn this top part. You can use shims if you want, but I find that as long as you put where the piece pins are on this side, all the pins are in the Bible here. So I'm gonna have that face up, and I'll just use this side. So push this through, and now equal tension. So I'm pushing together on each hand, and I'll just pull this back. All right, and there's all your pins. So I'm gonna put this down here, and then I'm going to drop out pin number one. Pin two. Pin three. Pin four. Oh boy. We'll know if this is in the wrong position when I go to put it back together, because the key won't work right. So I'm pretty sure this one goes here. We'll find out shortly, and it won't be a big deal. All right. Come on. Just my luck. Get back where you belong. And then find the last one. Drop that out. Okay, we'll just put this here like this. All right, and now we'll flip this. So this is gonna be number one. So I'll put this in an angle where you can see it. Whoop, there we go. I've already done my green lock. So it went off screen, but that's right, because I've already accomplished my green belt. All right, so we got a standard on one. I'll leave this spring in. Okay, it looks like we have a spool on two. It looks like we have, spool on three. Spool on four. And spool on six. And I'm really, wait, that was five. Probably helps if I count. And there's the last one. So the good part is, again, I've already gotten my belt. So that would have really sucked to do that and then not get my belt because I brought it out of frame. And then we'll just get a good close up on this so you can see it. All right, there we go. So now you can see pretty much there was a standard, which makes sense. If it was a straight, it'd probably be a little bit more challenged. But again, it's a standard. Then you have spools across the board on the bottom.